basically it's trying to grab the words slowly and bit by bit to get it into a format that's similar to what you've been doing prior, where they've actually given you the equation.
Yeah, I knew it was something like that. I just
Yeah.
wasn't sure how to do it.
So question 8, the combined mass of two trucks is 29 tonnes, and you can see by the picture that they're different. So we would give, you know, maybe we'd do this in our heads. X is little truck, Y big truck. Okay. The combined mass, so combined probably means addition. The combined mass of the trucks is 29 tonnes. That's the format we're always trying to get it in. The heavier truck is 1 tonne less than twice the mass of the smaller truck. So the heavier truck, or the big truck, is 1 tonne less than twice the mass, 1 tonne less. Does that read true? It's 1 tonne less than twice the mass of the smaller truck, and that's the smaller truck. That would be right, wouldn't it? Write two equations, solve them to find the mass of each truck. Yeah, does that make sense? So it's quite a challenge to try and think through so that you get two equations, but again what you're trying to do there, mate, is you're trying to get the two unknowns to equal a number, and then you're trying to say, well, I'm finding one of them, because when I find what X is by substitution, I'm going to be able to put it in there and that'll give me Y. So I always try with Y equals.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah. They'll get progressively harder, but try and follow that theme and Okay, the critical nature of doing these simultaneous equations, if you remember the process that you're going through, what you're doing is you're substituting into this value first, and what that does is it allows you to find X. Okay? Now when you've found X, you put it into the second one, equation, which will allow you to find Y. Alright? That's not rocket science. But in this format, I'd like you to get into the habit of rearranging the formula so that Y is the subject. So in order to change that, we've got negative Y. If we were to plus Y there and do that on the same, sorry, I won't do that. We want to get 9 on, remove 9 from that side. Yeah, and we've got positive 9. If we were to take 9, it would equal that. And if you recall previously, if we flick that over there and flick all of that over there, you're going to be left with Y equals negative X plus 9. All the signs change. Are you okay with that? You sure? Yeah. Alright. So then we go into substitution and we say, well, instead of this, we've got this. So X plus negative X plus 9 will equal 6. Yeah? Would you agree with that? Now, when we've got something like that up, this is the challenge in this question. It may not be resolvable. X plus negative X means a plus and a minus means to subtract. You've got an X and you're taking an X from it. It leaves you with no X. Doesn't it? You've got 1, take 1, gives you 0x. You haven't got x's anymore. And so for me, I'd have to check the answer. But at the moment, I'd say that's unresolvable. You can't actually solve it. But I'd have to check it. Now, if we go through the process here, we're going to say 2x plus 2x plus 1 equals 11. I've substituted that into that. Is that what you did?
I did 2x plus 2x plus 1 equals 11.
Yep, so that'll be 4x plus 1 equals 11. 4x will equal 11 take 1. 4x will equal 10. X will equal 10 divided by 4. X will equal 2.5. 2 times 2.5 is 5 plus 1, y will equal 6.
3 is 6 plus x doesn't equal 11.
So 2 times 2.5 plus 3 times 6 doesn't equal 11. 2 times 2.5 is 5